Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to actually use BeReal application or how to actually add friends using BeReal application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download BeReal application if you don't have it on your phone. You can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then, you'd like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch my BeReal application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So here, you will actually have two options, which is the post a BeReal or add a friend. Of course, that will be appearing on the home screen. So let me just first tell you about the concept of the BeReal application. So if you went here to discovery, for me I have the discovery is hidden off. So as you can see here, hidden content, it will show if I actually post a BeReal today. So here in BeReal, you have one post per day. Of course, you can post once a day, and the post will be actually two pictures, one with your front camera, which is a selfie, and one with your back camera at the same time, and you will post it to people to see it. As you can see here, other people doing the same thing. So if you want to add a friend, we have here two options. You have the option of add friend, or you have the option at the top left corner, which is the icon of add friend as well. So if you click on that, you'd like here just to enter the username of them, and after finding them, all you need to do, just click add, simply click add friend, and you will actually be good to go. So you'll be, that's it. That will be actually how you can add friend or how to add friend in BeReal. So that will be for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.